Hi, this is Evan from Digital Team Coach. I've worked in many churches, in faith organisations and other small businesses, and I've seen really thriving organisations that people know what they're doing, people have good systems in place, and they get a lot done and they work well together. I've also sadly seen very poor teams and poor systems, and what I want, particularly for our church and our organisations here in Australia, are to be able to thrive, to be able to function well together, and to have good tools in place and good systems and processes that are going to support your mission and your ministry so that you can get more done, you can reach further, you can work well together with your peers and your team. So I'm going to be running a workshop shortly called Your Digital Systems Strategy Mastermind. In this really practical mastermind, we are going to do three things. We're going to prepare a full analysis of your organization's digital needs, and then we are going to identify the best combination of digital tools and platforms to be able to support your ministry. And we're going to be using a really thorough and qualified process that I've put together and tweaked over the years that I've worked with lots of organizations on. And then finally, we're going to design your digital strategy that you can roll out and implement for the months and years ahead in your organization. Because it takes time to acquire new technology, it takes time to train people up, to get people on board. So there's lots of different aspects that we need to consider and map out. And if you need a digital strategy, if you don't have one, if there are things that are being missed, if communication's not great, if you need more clarity in your organization, then I really strongly implore you to come to this mastermind workshop. So register below, and I look forward to working with you in there.